This we can use the first question of exercise 7.2, that is 2x upon 1 plus x square with respect to dx. We can use this one, we can solve this question by method of substitution. So what substitution means, we have to put t is equal to 1 plus x square. So with respect to dx, differentiate with respect to x with this one, d1 by dx plus dx square by dx. Okay, so dt upon dx, what is the constant here? 0. Constant of integration is 0. 0 plus integration of 2x, that is 2x. What is the formula here? The differentiation of x to the power of n. We can apply this formula, n into x, n minus 1. In place of n, we will put 2x into 2 minus 1. This is 2x. So you will get dt upon dx is equal to 2x. So dt is equal to cross multiply 2x into dx. So that the given question, it is comes here, d1 by x square dx can be converted into, in place of 2x dx we can write it down dt upon 1 plus x square, we can write it down t. So integration of 1 by x is equal to log t. So it can be log t and plus c. So see, what is the c? Integration constant, it is important to write it down. So in place of, what is the answer? In place of t, what we have taken, that 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square plus c. This is the answer. So question number 2 of exercise 7.2. What is the question number 2 here? Log x whole square upon x. So what we can put, t is equal to log x. So differentiate this function with respect to x, dt upon dx. d upon dx of log x. What is the formula of log x? That is 1 by x. This is dt upon dx. So cross multiply here, what we will get? dt is equal to dx upon x. So this question will be become like this. With respect to dx, the question becomes log x whole square upon x into dx. dx upon x, in place of this we can put dt. So log x we can put t. It is become t square into dt. So what is the integration formula of x and the dx? That is x to the power of n plus 1 upon n plus 1. By applying this formula here, what will get? T to the power 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 plus c, that is t cube by 3 plus c. What is the t here? Write it down. The answer will be log x whole cube by 3 plus c. This is the answer. So question number 3, what is given here? 1 by x plus x log x. We have to solve this integration. So we can write it on this. First of all, take the x common here. What will get? 1 plus log x dx. 1 by x plus 1 plus log x into dx. So put here t is equal to 1 plus log x. Substitute here. So dt upon dx. What we will get? d1 by dx 0. d upon dx log x. Log x, what is the formula here? Log x, 1 by x. That is 1 by x. So cross multiply here, dt is equal to dx upon x. So the question will become like this. Convert like this, 1 plus log x dx is equal to dx by x. What will get? dt by t. 1 plus log x, it's become t, we have taken. So 1 by t, that is log t plus c. t in place of t, what we will put? 1 plus log x plus c. This is the answer. So next is question number 4. Exercise question number 4. So what is here? Sin x, sin of cos x dx. So we can write it down here. So first of all, what we will take? Substitute t is equal to cos x. We can do with respect to s, dt upon dx is equal to cos x, the differentiation, that is minus sin x. Clear? So what we will get? So minus dt is equal to minus sign will be transposed here. Sin x into dx. So the function will be become sin x of sin x cos x into dx. So sin of sin x, in place of we will put minus minus dt cos x, that is t. So we will sin t. Cos x is sin t, sin of t. Clear? Sin x dx we put minus d theta sin of cos x t. So it can be minus of sin theta d theta. What is the integration of sin theta? Minus cos theta. Minus cos theta plus c. Minus minus plus, and cos, answer will be your cos of cos x plus c. This is the answer. So exercise 7.2 question number 5. What is given? Sin of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b. So we have to find, this is the differentiation integration dx. Let us put t is equal to cos of t, we put t is equal to sin of ax plus b. So differentiate with respect to x, dt upon dx, that is d upon dx of sin of ax plus b. So what will get sin? That is cos of ax plus b, differentiation of, this is the chain rule, ax plus b. Chain rule. So what is the cos ax plus b? In differentiation of a is the constant, you will get here a only. You can write it down, a cos ax plus b. This implies cross multiply dt upon dx is equal to a cos ax plus b. Cross multiply it, dt upon a is equal to cos of ax plus b into dx. So this can be, the function can be converted, transferred into sin of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b dx. So cos of ax plus b dx in place of cos of ax plus b dx, we can write it down dt upon a, and this we can write it down sin of ax plus b, we substitute t here, so that we will get t into dt upon a. A is the constant, you will take it out, what you will get? T square upon 2. This is the t, 1 plus 1 formula, plus c. So that is 1 by 2a. What is? So you will get here, that is answer will be your 1 by a t square. What is the t here we have taken here? Sin of ax plus b whole square plus c. This is the answer. Question number 6, that is square root of ax plus b. Ax plus b, integration of dx. Let we put here t is equal to ax plus b. So differentiate with respect to x, what we will get? A into dx upon dx plus db upon dx. db upon dx is constant 0. So what you will get? dt upon dx is equal to a. So dt is equal to a dx. A dx. So we are going to substitute this, converted this one like this. Ax plus b dx. It is square root of ax plus b, that is square root of t. Dx means we can take it out. Dt upon a. Dt upon a. This is a, can be transferred here, dt upon a. So this is 1 by a. Root 2, we can write it 1 by 2 t. 1 by a. T into 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1. This is the integration formula, plus c. So you will get here, that is 1 by a t to the power of 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus c. It will become 2 by 3a, 2 t to the power of 3 by 2. 2 is going upside, plus c. That is 2 upon 3a t. What you will get? Ax plus b 3 by 2 plus c. This is question number 7. What is the question number 7 here given? X into square root of x plus 2 dx. We can find it out this one. We will take it, let us substitute first. T is equal to x plus 2. So with respect to x, x is equal to what will become t minus 2. Okay, we will put here with respect to dt upon dx. What you will get? Dx upon dx. 2 is the constant. 2 is the constant, that is become 0. So plus 0. So what you will get? dt upon dx equal to 0. So dt is equal to cross multiply. dt of 1 plus 0. That is 1. So dt is equal to dx. Now this can be converted. This equation can be transferred like this. X into square root of x plus 2 dx. So what is the x here? T minus 2 root t. That is root t into dx means dt. You can multiply here. T into 2 root 2 means root t means 1 by t, it is become into dt minus 2 t 1 by 2 power 1 by 2 dt. So power can be root 2, can write it down 1 by 2. So here bases are same, so exponents could be equal. So what will we get here? T into 1 plus 1 by 2 dt minus 2 t 1 by 2 dt. So next what you will get here? LCM, take the LCM. 2 plus 1 3 t 3 by 2 dt minus 2 t 1 by 2 dt. Now put the integration here. What the integration here? Applying the formula t 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 t 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 8. Because integration constant we are putting. So 3 by 2 plus 1, take the LCM. 3 plus 2 5, that is t 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2 minus 2 t 3 by 2 1 plus 2 3 upon 3 by 2 plus c. So it is become 2 by 5 t 5 by 2 minus 2 into 2 4 by 3 t 3 by 2 plus c. What we have taken t here, put the value. You will get 2 by 5 t means x plus 2. X plus 2 5 by 2 minus 4 by 3 x plus 2 3 by 2 plus c. This is the answer.